Welcome back. Last time we studied the first 4 types of pronouns. Today let's continue with the next 3. That is relative pronouns, interrogative pronouns and indefinite pronouns. So relative pronouns. Relative pronouns link two ideas or clauses together. For example, who, whom, whose, which, that. For example, the student who won is my friend. So you see here, these are linking two ideas. First idea is the student and second idea, which is one is my friend. So you have two ideas or two clauses here that is joined by the word who. So who becomes the relative pronoun. Then another example, that is the movie which I told you about. So here there's two parts of sentences. First part is that is the movie and second part is I told you about. And what is the word that connects these two parts of sentences? It is which. So which is the relative pronoun. So this is the movie or that is the movie which I told you about. Then she has a dog that loves to swim. So here the first part of sentence is she has a dog and second part of the sentence is loves to swim. And what is the word that joins these two sentences together? Yes, you're right. That. So that is the relative pronoun. So whenever you have a word that joins two ideas or two clauses or two sentences together, that word is called relative pronouns. After that, we will look at interrogative pronouns. So interrogative pronouns ask questions. Interrogative comes from the word interrogation. Interrogation means to ask questions. So these pronouns ask questions. For example, who, which, what. So for example, what is your name? What is the interrogative pronoun? Who is your best friend? Who is your interrogative pronoun? What is your favorite color? What is your interrogative pronoun? And finally, which one do you want to eat? So which becomes our interrogative pronoun. So here what, who, which, why, all these come under interrogative pronouns category. And finally, we will look at indefinite pronouns. So indefinite pronouns refer to non-specific people or things. For example, someone, anyone, everybody, no one. For example, everyone is invited to the party. So here, everyone is an indefinite pronoun. Someone left their bag on the chair. Here, someone is an indefinite pronoun. Then everyone enjoyed the party. So here, everyone becomes the indefinite pronoun. And finally, nobody knows the answer to that question. So here nobody will be the indefinite pronoun. So words like someone, anyone, everybody, no one come under indefinite pronouns category because they refer to non-specific people or things. You could refer to anybody. It could be everyone, it could be someone. Here you're not pointing out to specific people or things. Okay. So let's try this activity where you have to fill in the correct pronoun. The correct pronouns. So first one is the boy dash won the race is my cousin. So what should I put in the blank? The boy dash won the race is my cousin. So I can add the boy who won the race is my cousin. So here who becomes our relative pronouns because it is joining two sentences. That is the boy and won the race is my cousin, which is the second part of the sentence. So the boy who won the race is my cousin, who becomes the relative pronoun. Then another question for you. Dash is coming to the party tonight. What can I fill it up with? That's right. I can fill this up with who is coming to the party tonight. So who becomes our interrogative pronoun. And finally, Dash left a note on the table. So what should I fill it up with? So I can say someone left a note on the table, which is an indefinite pronoun. So well done. Now you know all these types of pronouns. Next up, we will look at the rules of pronouns.